Hello everyone, this is Arthur again, and today we have a 2013 BMW 328i with 157,000 miles, and it's here because it has a charging issue. It seems like the alternator is not working. I'll show you a video of a message that comes on after the car has been on for about 30 seconds or so. The red battery light comes on and it says it's not charging. The battery has been checked and it's okay, and the next suspect looks like it's the alternator that was recommended to replace, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Here's a new Bosch unit from Rock Auto. It was purchased by the owner and I'm going to go ahead and install it. As you saw, the message no longer came on. Looks like the alternator fixed the issue. Here's the new alternator already installed. Bosch unit. Here's the old one that came out of the car. This car used to have a pretty bad oil leak from the oil filter housing gasket that was fixed a few months ago, but looks like alternator didn't survive. Here's the part number for the new alternator from Rock Auto. So please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come. Thank you for watching.